this one. It's 11:09. Wait, yeah, it's 11:09, 14 April 2022. Let me just. I have this one here. I'm zooming in manually with the tripod. Wait, there's a. Anyway, there's a. Okay, there's an Aiwa. All right, and then since. Anyway, I have a third Aiwa, I have a second Aiwa that needs repair. Been needing repair for quite some time. And anyway, so when I saw this up there, this was a twofer. And basically when you have twofers, you can get, rather than buying one radio, rather than getting one radio, you can get two for the price of one, basically. Let's see here. Forgot my scissors. Alright, so here's my scissors. Here's this humongous box. Alright, and I'm not going to try and pick it up and wiggle it because it's just too darn big. But there it is, and it just got here just now. I just got home, and just gonna. Okay, they use the form-fitting packing, which means I gotta throw the whole thing away and keep this box. Right? So there we go. Yep. Okay, so there we go. So there's that. Well, okay, there we go. And that looks like, whatever it looks like, this big thing there. So here are two radios packaged together, right? Okay, so, wow, yeah, gosh, that's heavy. Okay. Just get this thing out of the way. Had a heck of a time getting this big old box in here. Okay, so there we go. Great. Alright, so now, okay. So it's, I guess this is the Sanyo because it's so much bigger than the other one, right? There's the Sanyo. And I already know the Sanyo does not have the battery cover, but I didn't buy it for that. I bought it because it's a 920. And 100 years ago, I had two 920s, one of which I sold, I think, to the man in New York City, and I can't remember what happened to the other one, but I'm pretty sure the man in New York City has one of them. Okay, and so there's that. I think the other one got sold to somebody in Houston, I think. I mean, this is so long ago, it's not funny. Alright, so here's this one. Yep. Doesn't have antennas, but we're not worried about not having antennas. Antennas are a dime a dozen, right? So there's that. But first I want to get to this and unpack it real quick. So there's that. That's this. Okay. And then yeah, good. All right. Okay. Yeah. There you go. All right. Yep. Okay. And then here's the 920. The 920 does have both antennas, and both antennas have their tips. All right. So, okay. So here's this one. This one does have the battery cover, and inside the battery cover is, well, alright, it's there. Okay, and then, let's see here, we picked up our power cords, so go down the power cords again. So, okay, does this one, okay, this goes in the end. That. Can we get any tunes out of this? All right. It's radio, and yeah. Needless to say, it needs to be cleaned. So I put on FM. Okay, so oh well, all right. Well, there it is. That's loose. But I basically bought this one here for parts to repair the other one, so that's why I got this one. Okay, well.
Festival of Bourbon is a it comes from over 100 years of blending experience. It ain't just a bourbon, it's a damn fistful. Imported by William Grant & Sons, New York, New York. Don't be a damn fool. Enjoy it responsibly.
Truck drivers, are you ready to change lanes to a route closer to home? JB Hunt has just what you're looking for.
Okay, the motor runs. I can hear it running. Off. It's running. So that needs a belt. Okay. And it needs the antennas, of course. And it's a TPR-820M. Okay, so there we go. I'm good with that. And then this one here is a, oh gosh, it's a Sanyo MR-X920. And this one, okay, where's the power input on this thing? It's also on the end. All right, just jam that in. And we've got it's gonna need some definite cleaning of that, all right. And yeah, and we've got eject. That ejects. Oh boy, that's dirty. Wow, that's dirty. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, soft touch controls. Nothing works. Let's see. Wait. See if we. On tape. Okay, so tape. I can hear the motor run, and that's all we need to know there. Alright, so there it is. Like I said, this one has both antennas right here. Okay, here's the antennas. Doesn't have the battery cover, but again, I wasn't concerned about that at the time. So that's all I know. Alright, so it does have power, and the radio would work if it wasn't so messed up there. Alright, so anyway, that's right. This has a power switch on it, does it? Well, okay, well, we'll have to figure this out later. I don't have time for it right now. Okay, I got so many other projects, but I was aiming for this. I wasn't aiming for the 920, but it basically came as a bonus. So that's how I'm looking at this. Okay, so pack this up. Good day. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Had too much fun today. Alright, so that's all we know. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta put the camera stuff away. Thanks for watching. Good day. Bye-bye.